So first is our to determine the position of a place. That first we will do, the determine the position of a place. So here I will find out the position of the place V. That is from your book, page number 23, the picture 2.6 picture. That picture I am explaining here. So this is our earth and this is equator, EQ, this is equator, and this is the position we have to find out, the V position. Now this is a Z, this is another position. So here firstly I already said in the last video that if that is our earth, here there are many parallel of latitudes and all the places of this latitude, if I will take this latitude, all the places of this latitude will be the same latitude. All the places of this latitude will be the same latitude. If that is the P, that is Q, that is X, that is Y, and this is the suppose it is the 40 degree north. How many places are there? We can see 4 places: X, Y, Q, P. These 4 places are on the latitude 40 degree N. So all of them, all of these places latitude will be 40 degree north, but the latitude will be the different. That I want to firstly say here. So if the place is on that latitude V, we can see the Z place also in that same latitude. So we can understand the V place, E place, or if there is another place, all will be in the same latitude, in this same latitude. All will be in this same latitude. Next is, in the last class I said that how we understood a latitude or longitude or the location of a place where the intersect the longitudinal line and the latitudinal line. That intersect portion is the determine the location of that place. Intersect portion, if that is the intersection portion, and these are the location of this place, the X place, the Q place of this place, because here is the longitude and here is the latitude. This is the intersect, this longitude is intersect here, so this is the portion location of the X, this is the location of the Q. Here also I will find out the location of the V as same as like that. Like here, this is the longitudinal line of the V and this is the latitudinal line of the V's place. So this is a circle V already I have given here, V, Z and P. So this is a circle. So we will find out, now we know the angle, this angle means Q. Here if I will give the C because it is a center, C, Q, C, P. So P, C, Q, this angle is 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree. So when I got this angle is 50 degree, that means we will get this latitudinal line when this angle means from this edge of this circle where it is touching the surface of the earth, this latitudinal line from this edge to the center, this angle is, I got the 50 degree. That means this latitudinal line is 50 degree north, because it is the north side, so northern hemisphere, so that is the north. From the north, so what I said, This is the center, this is the equator EQ, and this is the place V, and this is the place Z, and this is the latitude. I already drawn it, but we don't know what is the value of this latitude. How we will get? From the edge of the latitudinal line where it touched in the surface of the earth, from there to the center, if I will draw a line there, I got an angle. This angle is, if I will see in the protractor, it will be the 50 degree, and that means this line is the 50 degree north. As soon as that, we can see here two longitudes. These two longitudes intersect this line here, the V place and the Z place. These will also be, I will get, take out the angle, and then I can understand what is the longitude of this line. So for that reason, I want to draw a line. Let me draw this line, then I will tell you. Now you can see that I have drawn it here. That is the equatorial area. From here, from center to where the equatorial here, I have drawn the another longitude where it intersect from here. Where this line is intersect here, and this line is intersect here. I am making a angle here, so I will get a angle here where the two lines are intersect. That is the, if I will take the X and the Y, these two lines has intersect here. So where this longitudinal line is intersect on which portion of the of this latitudinal line. So where it intersect both of these portion, from the 2 point, I will get a angle respect of the center. So that angle means the YCX or XCY, that is the angle. So that means that is the 20 degree. So that means this angle is the position of this XCY. So that means this is the value of this latitude and of this latitude. When I will find out the place V, location of the place V, that means it is in the, if I will take that prime meridian, here I am taking the prime meridian. So that means it is a western hemisphere, it is a eastern hemisphere. So V is located in the western hemisphere. So firstly I got the 50 degree north, that is because of it is V place is located in the in the northern hemisphere, and V place is located in the western hemisphere. So it is, if it is the 20 degree, the latitudinal line, the both latitudinal line, it's I got here, that is the angle, that is 20 degree. That means this latitudinal line and this, longitudinal line and this longitudinal line, both are 20 degree. But which are this side, that means this longitudinal line is the 20 degree. This longitudinal line is the 20 degree west. Okay. And this longitudinal line is the, if I will take this longitudinal line, this is the 20 degree east. That means which place will be that side, it will be take the 20 degree east longitude, and here which place will be, it will be take the 20 degree west longitude. Okay, so V is this side, so I will take the V latitude is the 50 degree north, because here I will get, that is the angle, this angle is, I got the 50 degree, that means this latitude is the 50 degree. So which places are on that latitude, all the places will be the 50 degree north. All the places will be 50 degree north. Now I get another one, that is the longitude, that is this longitude which is intersect here, and I got this longitude is the value, that is the 20 degree. The x from the center to x C Y, this angle is the 20 degree. That means this is the 20 degree west and this is the 20 degree east. So which place is this side? It will be the 20 degree west. The longitudinal value will be that place is the 20 degree west. And if that is the, if I will take out the location of the z place, it will be the 20 degree east. So V value will be, V place, the location of V place, sorry, the location of V place will be 50 degree north and 20 degree west, and the location of the Z place will be 50 degree north and 20 degree east. So how we will get the 50 degree north and the 20 degree west and 50 degree north and 20 degree east? I hope you can understand now. So what is, all the places will be the same latitude, will be the same latitudinal value, all the places. So now you can understand, this is the first portion in this next part of this video. This is the first portion, okay? To determine the position of a place from the page number 23, that is the 2.6 figure. That figure I am explained here. So next I will become with the next another thing. Thank you.